welcome. You're watching Next IAS English. Today we are going to talk about a big news coming up from Madhya Pradesh. The state is becoming the third home for cheetahs in India. The Chief Minister has announced that Nauradehi Wildlife Sanctuary will become the third home for cheetahs in the state. Earlier we had Kuno National Park and Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary. There were two homes for cheetahs, but this will be the third one. These cheetahs are being brought all the way from Namibia, Africa, and will be released into the Nauradehi Wildlife Sanctuary to increase the cheetah population, but also to strengthen India's biodiversity and ecological balance. Imagine the fastest animal on land sprinting once again on Indian soil. Quite symbolic, right? Moving forward, let's talk about the Nauradehi Wildlife Sanctuary. Let's talk about the sanctuary now. So, the Nauradehi Wildlife Sanctuary is Madhya Pradesh's largest wildlife sanctuary. Now, it is the largest wildlife sanctuary and this is a star project. Okay, so it is located in three districts: Sagar, Damoh and Narsinghpur, in three districts. So, you can see it on the map: Sagar, Damoh and Narsinghpur. This place also acts as an important corridor for Panna Tiger Reserve and Satpura Tiger Reserve, helping wildlife move freely and safely between both areas. Because of its vastness and connectivity, Nauradehi is perfect for reintroducing large carnivores like cheetahs. We can also talk about the altitude. It is 400 to 600 meters above sea level and rainfall is approximately 1200 mm annually. Moving forward, let's talk more about the sanctuary. So, the vegetation here is dry deciduous type, and the soil, you will find this soil here, red soil, black soil and alluvial red soil. All these soil will be found here. Then in this wildlife sanctuary there are animals, there are birds, there are reptiles, amphibians and fish, and you'll find more than 275 species here. So there are 275 species. ये एक बहुत बड़ी वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी है, जैसा कि हमने डिस्कस किया कि मध्य प्रदेश की सबसे बड़ी वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी बनने जा रही है ये, और यहाँ का जो वेजिटेशन है वो ड्राई है, सॉइल्स ये हैं, और एनिमल्स का जो आप देखेंगे जितने ज़्यादा सॉइल टाइप्स होंगे, जितना अच्छा वेजिटेशन होगा, उतने ही ज़्यादा स्पीशीज़ भी आपको यहाँ देखने को मिलेंगे. सो 275 species are here and the main species include the tiger, the leopard, sloth bear also, jungle cat, chinkara, sambar and black deer. So all these species are here. So these are the key resident species of the Nauradehi Wildlife Sanctuary. So basically it's not just cheetahs, it's a full-blown wildlife hub. Moving forward, let's talk about the African cheetah. तो एक African cheetah के बारे में हम एक बार डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. Now let's meet our guest. This is the African cheetah, and scientifically it is called Axinonyx jubatus. So that is what it's called. These are the fastest land animals capable of hitting the speed up to 110 km per hour. They are mainly found in Northwest, East and South Africa. But sadly, their numbers have fallen due to human-wildlife conflicts like shrinking habitats and also reduced prey, illegal poaching, and that's why they are listed as vulnerable in IUCN status. India's reintroduction effort not only helps cheetahs survive globally but also revives a species that went extinct in India in 1952. Moving forward, let's talk about the Project Cheetah. अब Project Cheetah के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. Now comes the big initiative, which is Project Cheetah. So it's India's bold plan to bring cheetahs back, which were officially declared extinct in 1952. Under this, 8 cheetahs were brought from Namibia and 12 from South Africa. See, yeah. And the project aims to restore ecological balance, to promote biodiversity, and lastly boost wildlife tourism and conservation efforts. These are the targets to bring cheetahs back. This is what the targets of this project are. So basically it's about giving cheetahs a second chance and showing the world that conservation works when humans and nature team up together. Moving forward, let's talk about a practice question. Now we have concluded the majority part And let's wrap up all this session with a quick question. So the question is, under Project Cheetah, in which year were cheetahs declared extinct in India? We have already talked about it in the video, so think about it and drop your answer in the comment section below. These are the options: A 1947, B 1952, C 1960, D 1972. So that is it for today. If you enjoyed today's video, if you found today's video informative, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and definitely give this answer in the comment section below. We will also pin the correct answers or like them. That is it for today. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.